Take command of the road in the 2015 GMC Sierra 1500. Under the hood, you'll find the 4.3-liter Ecotec 3 V6 engine, providing power or efficiency when needed.
Sharp character lines combine with a wide stance to create an aggressive yet elegant shape. Once inside, the attention to safety and security is obvious. Top features include air conditioning, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, and much more.
Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Driver awareness is supplemented by the optional rear vision camera, providing live video of the area behind the vehicle when in reverse. Included safety features range from dual-stage airbags to lessen the severity of a crash, to StabiliTrak roll avoidance, trailer sway control, and hill start assist to proactively deter accidents.
The 2015 GMC Sierra 1500. Upping the standards associated with pickup trucks.